Everybody welcome Unique Technique to the stage!
We've all had days like these. I don't want to get out of bed. I want to stay put. You know what you're lacking? Motivation. That's why what you put in your mind will never happen. Stay motivated, even though your energy is feeling deflated. Stay motivated, it's underneath you, don't underestimate it. Stay motivated, I can understand you're frustrated because you never made it, because the future view became so jaded. You're your own worst enemy if you don't put in the right amount of energy. Stay motivated, now it's time to see the seeds that you cultivated. Stay motivated, let me tell you the truth but not even exaggerated. Keep motivated, stay motivated, I'ma stay motivated, always trying to tell myself each and every day. You ain't really managing, and I know you find life challenging, but I'm trying to get this message through. Whatever happens from here on in, it's up to you. Don't let these naysayers get inside your ears. Turn around and try to diss your new ideas, or maybe just try to tear you down and try to wear you down. Yep. And me, myself, they don't think one name and completely at the other. If you ain't can really support me, then don't even ever bother. Don't even start breathing down my neck, cause it's okay, cause I expect you're feeling tired, less motivated, cause you've really faded, cause you never made it. Used to have a bright view, now it's become jaded. What you really need is to stay motivated. Just stay motivated. Just stay motivated. I know it's easy to do, but probably you hate it. And I know I'm not really exaggerating, because I know exactly, I can feel the frustration. I know exactly why you're getting really mad. Rather than appreciate what it is you have, why are you getting mad? Motivated. What have I got to lose? Stay motivated. I know you got an alarm clock, but don't hit snooze just to catch a quick nap. Too many people frequently do that, then they wonder why it never happened. It's because you weren't alert, you were too busy napping. Stay motivated, and you can put a football when they try to weaken you, you'll stand strong. Motivation is exactly what you need. That's why you're always in the background and not confident to take the lead. Motivated, now you get to see the seed that you sow, the one that you have cultivated. Motivated, you know it's growing in your grasp. Don't underestimate it. I'm motivated. I know you get so frustrated, cause the truth is that you never made it. You used to have a bright view for the future, but now it has become jaded. Suck it up. Stay motivated in everything you say and do. The rest is up to you. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more volume in the beat, if possible. Will you be an angel of truth? At times when I start to feel unsafe, calm me down when you know that I'm in bed lying awake. Tell me, will you be be my angel of faith? Someone to take me in and hold my hand. Someone to be there right by my side. Someone who could truly understand. Someone to be there whenever I'm feeling stressed. If a woman like that walks in my life, then you know I know that I'll be blessed. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Angel free. At times when I feel so unsafe, will you calm my mind? Will you mop my brow? Tell me, angel, where are you now? Where are you now? Look, when things get to me, will you offer me relief? Will you not judge me on the surface, but for the decent guy underneath? Try to keep me cool when I'm feeling so despair, knowing I can face anything. God has probably knowing that you're there. Will you be my angel of faith? Will you? I sense your presence in the room. I can feel you. Will you be my angel of faith? Will you keep me ultimately safe? Will you keep my mind and ease my soul? And keep me above all suspicion when evil tries to seize control. Will you be my angel of truth? Will you be mine? Are you aware of the years and tears that I have cried? So many times that I tried to gain access, but apparently was always denied. Feel my cord on the side of the camera moving, so I guess I'm gonna have to assassinate even the damage and just prove it. I can see it, I can feel it in the peripheral, I can see it in the residual, I can feel it like this, another individual beside me, living inside me, to eternally guide me. Will you be my angel of faith? Or have I left things too late? Will you now be the one I can rely on? Thank you.